Welcome back to Market Minute USA. It's Saturday, January 17th, and while the exchange floors are closed, the backrooms of Wall Street are in a state of absolute panic. We are tracking a historic shift that could make this coming Monday one of the darkest days of 2026. The biggest headline? Gold has officially shattered all expectations, surging past $4,600 an ounce. This isn't just a price increase, it's a vomit signal from the smart money. When the whales dump stocks and pile into gold at this speed, they aren't just hedging, they are preparing for a systemic collapse. The primary driver is the unprecedented constitutional crisis at the Federal Reserve. The DOJ's criminal investigation into Chair Jerome Powell has escalated, with leaked reports suggesting a grand jury subpoena is just the beginning. 13 former senior officials have signed a letter warning that the Fed's independence is under the gun. If the market loses faith in the Fed's ability to set rates without political interference from the White House, the US dollar loses its status as the world's anchor. That is exactly why we are seeing a global flight to safety. But it gets worse. President Trump's 25% tariff on countries trading with Iran is starting to bite. India is already reconsidering its strategic Chabahar port project, and the UAE is feeling the heat. This economic warfare is creating a massive liquidity vacuum. If you think your tech stocks like Nvidia or Tesla are safe, look at the supply chain data. These tariffs are going to spike manufacturing costs overnight, and the 0.6% retail sales growth we saw earlier this week is already being exposed as a debt-fueled illusion. The whales have spent this weekend moving their capital into hard assets. They are exiting the banking sector, exiting the over-leveraged tech giants, and hiding in gold and silver. The VIX is sitting at a dangerous 28, and historical patterns suggest that a weekend with this much geopolitical tension leads to a massive gap down on Monday morning. My advice? Use this weekend to audit your portfolio. If you are on margin, you are walking into a trap. This is Market Minute USA, and we are the only ones giving you the raw data before the opening bell. Subscribe now, because Monday is coming, and it's not going to be pretty. Are you holding the bag or holding the gold? Let me know in the comments below.